What's the meaning of cardigan? Cardigan. Cardigan.
Cardigan. Cardigan. A cardigan is a knitted sweater that opens in the front, allowing it to be easily put on or removed. It typically has buttons or a zipper down the front and may have pockets. Cardigans come in a variety of styles, from simple and practical to stylish and fashionable. They can be worn by both men and women and are versatile enough to be worn in a variety of settings, from casual to formal. Overall, the cardigan is a comfortable and classic piece of clothing that has been popular for many years.